Good morning, children. I am Sanam is here. We have reached the 20th lesson of our GK. Hope you all have understood and all the other chapters which we have completed. Last class we studied about global warming. It is nothing but the average increase in the average temperature of the earth's surface, air and ocean is known as global warming. That is because of the increase in carbon dioxide in the atmosphere, which is responsible for this global warming. So now in this lesson we are going to study preventing global warming. How can we stop, or how our human activities can be prevented to stop this global warming. So measures that we can follow to prevent global warming are listed below. So we will see some of the measures which we should take to reduce the global warming. The first one is promote use of recycled products and biodegradable materials. So always we should use things which can be recycled. Biodegradable means all that can return to the nature. For example, the vegetable peel, the fruit peel and everything, when you put it into the soil, after sometimes it mixes with the soil and we won't be able to see that. So that is biodegradable materials which are harmless. For example, plastic and glass, when you put it into the soil, what happens? It will not decay. It will be there polluting the nature. So that is non-biodegradable. So we should use only things which can recycle and biodegradable materials. Okay, the next one is use of jute or cloth bags instead of plastic bags. So this will reduce the plastic bags. We have to take paper bags or cloth bags which we make at home and go to the shops for buying things. Now next is buy minimally packaged goods. So less packaging could reduce your garbage significantly. Garbage means it is a waste produced in our house. So minimized packaged things, that is, we have to take a bottle for buying milk instead of getting milk in packets, so that milk packet can be avoided, that plastic packet can be avoided in our house. Such things can be taken to buy things. Then next is use LED bulbs. LED bulbs means it is light emitting diode bulbs, so they consume less energy than the ordinary bulbs, and its life time is also longer. So you can use LED bulbs. Then switch to environment friendly fuels such as CNG, LPG or PNG, which produce fewer pollutants than coal, kerosene, diesel and petrol. So in the last class we studied that the burning of fossil fuels, that is the petroleum and coal, that will give out too much of carbon dioxide, which is one of the main greenhouse gas or global warming gas. Now when we use CNG, that is compressed natural gas, LPG is liquefied petroleum gas, and PNG is piped natural gas. So all these will not pollute the atmosphere. Now next is buy energy efficient appliances. Check the Energy Star rating before buying new electrical appliances in your house. For example, fridge, AC and all that, now which you get have few stars on them. So that will tell you that it will take only less energy, less electrical energy. So buy things of that. Next, buy locally grown and produced foods to reduce the fuel required to transport the goods. So we have to buy the things which are present locally. So instead of ordering from somewhere, so that will take lot of transportation charges, that needs lot of fuel to be transported. So please don't go for that. Buy things which are present in our locality. Then unplug unused electronic items. Even when electronic devices are turned off, they use energy. So whenever whenever our use is over with electric iron box and all those things, you should unplug it from the plug. You should remove it from the plug and switch it off. Then plant more trees and save the existing ones. So you have to plant more and more trees, and you should not cut the present ones. So what you do is, every year for your birthdays, you have to plant a tree, so that is there always, right? That will grow to a big tree. Then next, go for solar energy. Solar power is one of the cleanest forms of energy. It emits zero greenhouse gases or other pollutants. So you can use solar panels can be used instead of other sources of energy. So solar energy is less pollutant. It will not emit any gases. Then use bicycle for short distance. If you are going for a short distance, you take your bicycles and go, otherwise you can walk. It is also a good exercise. Then reduce the use of private vehicles by resorting to public transport. So we always, what we do is, for our convenience, we take our car or bike and we go. But we know that there are public transports are there. So if you want to go a long distance, you can take the public transport. Then implement practices such as carpooling for traveling to schools or offices. So what you have to do is, we should take the school bus or either use cycles to reach schools and all those things. Okay, now these are the things we should do to prevent the global warming. Okay, now the exercise given in your textbook, tick the correct answer. The first one, global warming is due to the release of option A, oxygen, greenhouse gases. Then the last one is free chlorine. Then the answer is greenhouse gases. The second one, what do scientists believe to be the cause of global warming? The first one is human activity. Second one, changes in animals. Third one, the rainforest. So the first one is human activity. Third one, global warming could affect climate, melting of glaciers, both. So the global warming could affect both is the answer. It will also affect the climate and also the melting of glaciers. The fourth one, which is not a side effect of global warming? First one, increased population, rising sea levels, spread of diseases. So increased population. Then fifth one, which of the following process acts to remove carbon dioxide from the atmosphere? Lightning, photosynthesis, deforestation. It is photosynthesis. So only during photosynthesis the carbon dioxide is fixed. It is used for the preparation of food. So the answer is photosynthesis. So hope you all understood this, children. Copy that, tick the correct answer into your notebook. Lesson 20, write the heading preventing global warming, then write tick the correct answer into your notebooks. Okay children, hope you all will do so. Have a nice day. Thank you.